Welcome to Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, and here's a great RV from our giant selection of motorhomes, fifth wheels, and trailers. This beautiful camper comes equipped with overhead kitchen storage, an awning, refrigerator, entry grab handle, bathroom tub shower combo, stabilizer jacks, king-size bed, living area sofa, booth dinette, carbon monoxide detector, decorative wood plank flooring, bathroom toilet, single slide, queen-size bed, sleeps up to 6 people. Bayou Outdoor wants to get you ready for outdoor fun with a boat or RV of your dreams. We carry over 200 new and used motorhomes, fifth wheels, travel trailers, toy haulers, folding campers from some of the most popular brands. Stop by today or visit us online at BayouOutdoor.com. Bayou Outdoor Supercenter, providing savings, selection, and service for over 40 years. Welcome to the family.